Hello, it's your boy, it's your friend Cheyenne TGM, and today I am playing Happy Wheels. So let's go to. No, I am doing bottle flip challenge today. Just go. You have to find the bottle flip challenge. Just go to bottle flip challenge. Just turn off up. Just here we go. The bottle flip, the bottle flip, the bottle flip. Okay. Hey, what is this shit? Okay, there's so many, but okay, throw the. Okay, okay, next, yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. Let's see if there's another bottle for this one. Glass. Yeah, here we go. Another bottle. I should take Sage away. Shade away. Okay. John Cena. Dun, 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 dun. Just. Oh my god. Just restart this one. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh, bro. Oh, bro. Oh! I just broke my head. What the? Kick. I don't think Sage is very good for this. Just take it better. We should take in this lady. Baby, what the fuck, baby? Have your day, but okay, you want to show people on it. Hey! This was. Oh, only 70 FPS because of FPS. It's just problem. Okay. Um, okay, so this was my body flame and happy meal. I can do this one. If you can, comment down below. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel.